we're in Gorges State Park in North Carolina. It's got a really cool recreational loop that I would like to have done. It's actually why I came here. But we are here today to protest the unjust why are motorcycles prohibited. It looks like fun. Too bad I can't go. Yeah, no motorcycles. What's up with that? I'm completely legal. I'm sure it has something to do with somebody spun up some gravel, and now of course they're all concerned, you know, not concerned enough to stop cars from going on every dirt road in this country and leaving them washboarded out, tore all to hell. But we can't have motorcycles go on a recreational loop in a national forest. That'd just be crazy. Hey, look at the curves on this one. What a cool little thing.